Well, we just want to welcome you to the panorama again, and we're here on Humphrey Island, where we're, about to go and meet Ma Eva. This is her bridge. For those of you who are following the broadcast, just so you know where you are, you know, you see where we are at the moment, and the water has gone up here, and you see some of the tin stakes that the people living on this side they come all the way from Battery Factory and other places here, and they've used this kind of the straws, or I don't want to call it dirt, that the mangrove you see right here. This is the mangrove. They're grown on some heavy dirt. And it is that dirt these guys will go way up there and dig it up and then place it up to, make the place habitable. And this is where we are. You see struggling Liberians living on this island here. You can create or buy your own island. This is more of a kind of Hawaii. We're going to Ma Eva, and we're going to where she stays, and we're headed to her house. How are you, big man? How you doing? And so here, see where the people usually take their shower. They go up in there, and then there's another bridge going up on the other end. Normally in other countries, they will not allow nobody to stay in this environment. It will be interdicted. They won't allow no one to be here because they don't want the habitat to be tampered with. Because here you have the toads, they all come here. That's known as tadpoles, and different kind of species. But the more you try to squeeze up these places, things happen. And then they have this kind of plastic pollution that is eating up this place as well. But just to give you a little synopsis of what this place is. And you see some of the zinc shacks, some of these houses. You see the other guy way up there. He's constructing his. And I heard from Ma Eva just the other day, the wind came and it blew up her apartment up there. You see what is done. This is what is done to her apartment. And since she did that video, went viral, a lot of folks have her voice been heard. If Liberia was another country, if Liberia were actually another country, this woman will be placed up, in so many places. But look at here, this bridge that you will cross to get on there. And I get my foot up in the front, and you have to take your time, and anything you could easily plunge into the depth of this particular river. Oh, Joyama.
Yeah, oh my son.
In you. How you doing?
I said, boy, she said, Yama, how you? You're helping my son. My son, Jenny, let's say they play yet. That why I cry. My people are me again too much. If I too much, just see my all the team move. That only one side I can lay down.
That last night happened?
You take one win, you take one more now.
1 month. Let's go take a look, and then we're going to come back. Take care in there. Your lips stay real. Let go. So
don't need a stable, Johnny. Worry my son, I got already.
No, I will kill you. She don't bring.
1 year my son is not easy. Johnny, I let that before. That what every day I play. Look at the play I live.
Wow.
Look at the play my heart looking my people. I let that before family you can't help me.
So the zinc has been taken. So apparently it blew the other side up, right? It put a zinc on top of the frame.
Yeah, put it on top of a frame.
They think strong?
What one?
They think, yeah. Oh, yeah, it's strong. Let me clean on it. If I fall down now, in your hand. So you see, let me show you what the wind has done. So it blew this entire portion away. You see, it blew this entire portion away, and then they push it back. You see that? It pushed the whole thing back. So if to fix this, we have to get guys who will then bring it back, add some 2x4, and reinforce it so that this place. So you see, basically, go on there. Y'all gonna hold me, or if I fall down, or I cut myself. So you see, this is the top, If I try to go up here, okay. So you see, this is the roof here. This is the top of our roof. You see all of this? Yeah, and it is pushed back. This thing, I always referencing Nigerians. If this was in Nigeria and we were going on with this kind of life, one person would just get up and say, "Man, Eva, I give you a brand new house." It's that simple. Yes, Liberians can give, and I must give it to our people. Those are our few committed givers. They see stuff like this immediately. They're ones who will just keep the cash up. Come on, Jonah. I don't need your opinion whether this place is good or not. So can you send her to the mansion if this place is not good? The people live all here. There are thousands in the people who live here. Mm-hmm. You're not going to take them out of here. This is Liberia you're talking about. So if you want us to have that kind of debate, as where is good and where is not good, that's not why we are here. But I'm just showing you where we are. Blessing? Yeah. Y'all go down. You see the old man place? Y'all go. Let go. Move, old man, let go. Let go outside. The people not finished seeing the place. So I can stand on there. But, I grew up in Greenville, Sano County. And these are the kind of houses, though we just say Congo houses. They're very clean in them. You see her place, it's beautiful. She moved out on the other side of the room. It's out there. And they're very clean, nice. Yeah, I see where.
That way, I corner there, I can see.
You sleep in that corner?
Yeah.
But you see how she keeps her place clean. See the floor mat.
Yeah. Hey.
She got these bags and all of that clean. Her son, who was in prison for on accusation of rape, he was the one helping. He had a little generator, and he was staying here with his mom and put the light on, and they would preach the gospel right here. But here we are. But let's come out here and talk to my Eva right here. Let me sit there and tell her to sit right there and have the blessing.
What?
Right here. Right here. Sit down right there. That's it.
I will stop for you. Wait for small.
Sit down the other way on her hand. Put it all up for you. Okay, sit down. Then look at me. Anyway, all of you now watching. Why you let fun young get team in it? All in your suffering, you want tie, you licking your lip, doing all kind of things.
Let me see a prayer, my people. You're helping me. I know like that before. They
will help you.
You're helping me the way I am now. Yeah, in second death. My whole on the pack can see them the way I see doing all now. Worry now. Soon as they say back. Then the whole now. Being your funny that just turning on now. I tell you, I know how to do. And then I get money, I get nothing. Nobody behind me besides Jesus and God. You are Jesus and God behind me. When you can see the player, I say you can see the player leaping. You see my player leaping, you not like that before. But God know. God know there and there my people are just playing. When I be player crying. God that man continue in now. That second there in. No head, no body, no part, no brother, no sister. Man my son who's supposed to help me, yeah, he went to Sobi. He won't go lie in it. He won't go lie in it. They can't, the same woman that same woman came to Sobi, but that woman will not pay me, that she and go with talking.
We're working on the case, don't worry, that one power.
She and go with talking.
And I just talk with him.
Yeah. So, my people, you're helping me. My heart, my family then. My heart, laying. I can see the play TV say, when rain be funny, the whole thing is full. Para, the play and everything. That for myself now, yeah, top of rap. Yeah, I'm joking. Top of rap, small.
That over time?
Top of rap, baby. All the rap them by baby one. So when rain be funny now, no way for me to lay down again. The play and lay down, say, water there.
Then you fool yourself at top of rap.
Yeah, for myself, yeah, top of rap now. I for myself. When we come on my phone, that brother so. When we come again, that brother so. All the flow there, all my share there, everything. I just put it on top.
But our blessing say find somebody.
I'm here for me everything now.
I already tell you about you.
I'm here for me everything. Jenny, the only thing I pray for Jenny, that my own son here. My mama, papa, beg for me. I get better, but what say before you, all that time you get some will come to you and help you and do everything for you. That is exactly so. That is the same.
But a few days you are telling I walk behind you day before yesterday.
Let my apple
The better baby tell you saying let you.
They move from behind me, eh?
The baby saying you.
I tell Jenny, I tell Sam, my mom born me. I born my children. I want to make it.
But the baby saying let you. You tell the baby say you get. The baby saying not
But
I say I want no man blessing now. I yet to mama grandchildren. The day they were finished. When you see any man on the door, I'm a thing at that.
Now the better baby will come here. I already tell the better baby I say your son coming home. Your son come today. I'm gonna go call the better baby for you.
That what God made the man God gave me the
yeah, now your son, I'm working. Your son say I'm gonna look up.
I want man. I say. Then God will bless you. Then soon I told my the fourth person that my son I pray for.
Huh?
7 person that feel it.
So you can pray for me?
Tell that blessing
you the see where you last say you have one boyfriend. That see where you said now you.
Now, all the people there, my people there, I pray for everybody. Yeah. Because that God can do something. The thing I see last time in my city. I see you.
What you saw in your
that
sleep?
Me and Pharaoh were talking before you come. I go now, I sit down now, I see people now facing my door, they're facing you. I do that crying now. They're falling my house, yeah, last time. They're falling my house, my people. Then they beat door, they beat the one, yeah, they facing the. I say, my people, you're falling my house. I cry. I was telling Pharaoh now, I see you coming. That happened in my tree last time. People spoil my thing there. They bring new door, new thing. I said they move them people. They spoil my house now. They move the door there. They do they want. Look, God wake up me from my tea. Soon as I wake up me, I put my knee down. I said, why that you know the good and know the bad. They drink here when I bad drink. Send it back to the window. When I good drink, I tell you thank you. But the second thank you, I tell you that my son mama there. Jenny, you didn't want me more being today. One person don't get a child.
Yeah.
You didn't want me more being today.
My mom wake up from the grave, she come back, she will take me from you.
I pay myself. Yeah. I say blessing. I say Jenny, I pray. I say my second God. Jenny, the way I know the boy, I know your man, I know your family. You just tell me to be mama. Everything I want, can do for me.
What you eat day for yesterday? What I bring for you yesterday for yesterday?
Then you say I'm a divide family. I get all of them. One person, the girl who suffer for me, for you to yesterday put a lot of
you give her.
I said, I said, yeah, take it. Why? He said, I said, take it. You suffer for my son yesterday. You finish your own. Yeah, my neighbor.
Your neighbor will be talking bad about you. She say she don't want that blessing that you get me. giving her
what new one?
She say the boy and the boy can't be open or the water papi can't be open.
I say the boy sooner oh you're me sooner for me. I said that my son are waiting for. I wait for son on your way coming now. So where you go? There you go. Where you go? Yeah, there you go.
Because you know I come in.
Yeah, I said that lawyer just look at me and say they want you waiting. They think the boy can do for me. But go we pay the boy. But the boy not leave, see, that have to go.
You sure the boy and your papi?
Man, that's it. I call you nursing now. So
who need nursing?
The
man, man.
But when you just jump, you call nursing.
Nursing.
Who need nursing?
What I call nursing? So I think I was showing them to croak to down croak. Nursing.
I knew baby I can't
no, they're not in. You want maybe that you offer or what? So now I see the money you gave me yesterday. Someone tell me say what you do. Go back in here. What the day you put there, I want someone who the day from there, they enter. What they enter, what did you do? I get money, I get nothing. And my son will go there, the ladder there can open by normal. When one open there, when open at it, then you will lose the inch. But nobody not able to lose the inch. So bad there, I let it do. I put that.
Somebody just send you $35. 35 US.
That's why. Where point so? That's why not there down. Everything you doing that boy here. They brief you on that call.
Blessing, ask the woman here. You joy man. You Ellen best friend. Then you suffering like that. Then you asking people on Facebook to send you money.
But that is there that job play.
Where play?
That play and one no see job.
You never see job but you give
my I can put my hand on solo.
Her son just died the few days. Yeah.
I know yesterday.
Charles Lee, the one who working to the bank.
No, I'm talking now. Well, get carpet. Yeah, I get carpet. I'm coming to go to my head hall at 4 plan me. Because they think that woman do.
You won't go there?
That my better hire the money to give me.
That's something you won't go there.
You won't go there? The people here will come. I mean, you'll find money to pay the woman. Start licking your lip, man. Oh, you young girl?
No, that young girl, but equal agenda for that color. I won't call my beyond my mom. Then you take my photo now.
Get a secret. Where may you live, Ray? Get a secret.
No, that girl.
Get a secret.
What can I secret?
What thing you can rub on it?
Nothing to go. I put nothing there.
No.
Then 1 year. I put nothing there that go just do me like that. I born with you.
But I go get one you alone really live in the whole country.
But that
old lady. Yeah.
May I feel blind, may I live.
Yeah.
You the only old lady in the whole country. God may your one live that your one that
Sunday people can be a con and be the something here. I can't do it. Well, I think that born with a blessing. Yeah. Then my hair, yeah, go just give to me. Soon I put my apple, why I want to see it. Soon I put my apple, why I want to see what I put about. That since he made that
man, they are not small to eat.
The time you were young.
Yeah. What can I think now? The time I was young. The way one the thing I let that I can tell you, I said, don't love to film woman husband.
Okay.
No more do it until I get there. I never love to my film woman husband. It's not good.
Joey, man.
All my friends.
Somebody just sent you $100 US.
For what?
Huh?
Yeah, a good one for child.
Yeah.
They facing their hustle.
When that whole feeling well,
stay there, yeah. Because you hear the hop in it. And who talk about the time you were young?
The time I was young. Oh, well, I tell you now, just say, you see, Jungle, the time I was young, Mama. My own here, God gave me a different. Yeah, to that put my apple now. Why won't see I see you? So I see it.
I man, you sorry. I will.
Mama, that me, my son, all the men when they come to the hall, they come to attend there. Say, you're going to that woman can see you. That woman see you to know. Me, that was scary a woman. Yeah, I said that why I make it. I get plenty of boyfriend. So now they come in the town.
Oh, you don't know where they you don't know whether they good or bad.
Yeah. So now, the I go up my hill. So now when you come to our town and say, hey, yeah, la femme there.
You from Tiantan? No, not Tiantan. Okay, you from Pua. Okay. Okay.
So now that have God do you because they hire God way.
So naturally you could see.
Yeah, I can see that now we make it go down small. I can do small. That it made my and also it can't down, it can't be down now they are there.
When
you don't call sharp.
Pasty.
Eh? Pasty?
Yeah.
You don't mess it up?
No, it got let out. I put nothing.
You drink pasty straight.
Yeah. So now, well, let me tell you serious thing.
Go ahead.
So now, say mama bought me now. In a town, the way I find when you see my head, lay down on my back. So now, when my boy they come to our town, say, yeah, but find girl now. Who get a fan girl? Say,
who eating a fan thing?
Yeah, that girl when you go there, they can see you. That girl will see you. That what she in the town, just she found that no man go to work.
Somebody just sent you $40 again. So we're hitting the road. We're almost kind of the play was so finished just now. Go ahead.
So now they say that woman is behind that girl. That girl can see you. They can see then to now. My son pa. He say I say that woman is here. My child will punch her. I go see that on there.
How old are he? That time you how many years old?
I was young, I forget my
age. You're selling me?
Huh?
I say I was young, man. Small.
Yeah, go ahead.
So now, they say, when you see with that woman, when you in we form, soon as once you get up to see you, that other one run away.
That was your first boyfriend?
My first boyfriend.
The one will show you, man, Benet.
Yeah. Philippa now, I will see there. They tell Philippa, you must see to my house because my head can see.
Well, your man then was saying, how old were you that time? How old were you?
I forget my age now.
But your tete then, how the world?
They play here. You breathing that water. So now, when I come when people come, they tell me say, yeah. Then when you see my hair, my son, my hair, they on my pie. When you people play, what? 22 plow, only 2 plow. So now, when people come,
what all you used to do to make you fun? What all you used to do to make you fun?
And I have been there, they apply fun, 2 plow.
On your back.
Yeah. Then I don't get that. Can't I do lava? Only one lava, they make it straight.
You don't wear G-string?
No. I said straight.
You know, they don't got G-string?
No. I said we know that thing. The lava here now, they feel we gone. They straight down.
Now, boomer, you used to wear.
No, we can't do that thing. I said they flow we can wear.
Une
lapa su. Dress. Unwe dressing wow. Mwete la just say unwe dressing. I can't wear the thing.
You are fat or you are slim?
Yeah, I get by it. That time I get by it. You are acting on nothing.
Before?
Man, I do nothing.
You are virgin at time?
Yeah. Oh, man.
Oh, Philippa, come and eat something good now.
Yeah, Philippa come and say, that place there you will see that woman there, he can see you. That woman is see you.
So how Philippa approach you say before you go to the how you approach you? How you tell you say you want before you go to the
yeah, because those days.
That time, he come to your uncle in the town. We live together. Philip there on the town, Philippa there on the town, different. I on the town different. That I can't visit uncle now. Then we're going for water now. Then tete, oh, when you see my tete, then we're going for water now.
You can't cover your tete.
Oh, là-bas, down. So now, then, Thomas sit down. The uncle play. Yeah, yeah, we that going for water. So we're going for water and see me. I let it go. I let it get that Philippa now. I let it go. Thomas now. Then the people often say, you say, we let's say they get what I go for water. What one for water? Say that girl in the town, yeah, no man enter your man. Oh, when you enter there, that girl here will see you. So don't go there. Someone say I will see there. So long you say they get here can see that me person are looking for. I will see there when she see me in the we phone. Don't tell me.
Right.
Yeah. I don't come in the hall. I be out water. We take back.
Yeah. Why you see each other?
Yeah.
The same
day. I said same day.
One next time.
Can't wait now. They must say,
you say what?
Mercy, I want you, Jenna. Then you go make hot water before brown fast. You finish make water, you finish cook. You finish about now, you're eating. I don't get that. Example, day there. Example, no day there. Go and say, I want you. Forget it now. You will get ready and prepare food. What there you go to buy. In the day now, you're finishing now, you're going to. I mean, don't Philippa do now. Then it's dead Philippa. That woman there, that girl you went to. That girl he can see you. She will see you.
Everybody was fighting over you then.
Yeah, other men can only in a town. Other men can, that they can do. Other men can say, man, that they get, man, they get too far, man. That girl he can see you. Don't go there. Then I want to run away. Then I want to say, man, let it go. Okay, or he can see you. Then that one run away. God give me the hair, yeah. So I call my apple. That God give me the hair, yeah.
That question,
yeah, that time I'm drinking. That time I drink no liquor, so they coming planted now. Then the hair coming planted now.
Well, you're not coming junior, you're going to be more in the time.
It cut you. I say, now, they play, Philip, they're working play. Wow, go there. You was the woman. You was the woman. Woman, that's my woman. But I say, why you talking about my woman? The woman can see.
So then after Philippa, then
no man after Philippa, that blow that I see here yesterday, 20. I'm going.
You see 20 yesterday?
No, that's 20 I'm talking now. Don't make it sure that's 20 I'm talking now. Philippa, like only man left on the song yet.
When he come back, you will still be with him.
No, the man that I wasn't.
But I say when he come back,
don't pull up all of me. Why? Well, the body I can't be on the body. So now, my son, I stay down now. That how God do me, oh. That God do me. What that time I know we can't drink.
So it is now going to help you. That the money you got more than 20 to 30 boyfriend.
They that how my and they here myself on 16th Street will lay down. Later now I say and they MO and they go no. Why would later here? Why you move behind me? Why do myself? So I can't see you. Say that you hear that, don't do that to me. That hear that. In fact, you are myself, I can't see you, man. I said, but sit over that party. Where I do so, I do so. I can't see you. Why you can go in the night? Oh, the bell. That you hear that, you must bring it to me. In fact, you and myself can't see together again.
Oh, when you're sleeping together, she don't disappear.
Yeah, I can see them. That's why I tell that I am bed today.
So she don't two of you enter the room to go sleep.
Yeah. Then when I go there now, then she move behind me now. Then she go a different phone now. Yeah. So when I get up to I say, Until why you can go later? I can't see you. When I do my hand to I can't see you. Why you can go? That you hear there. Don't bring it up. In fact, tomorrow we buy how about liquor? We now you down pull liquor all over. Then no more here again.
So the whole spoil your
she won't spoil it, but God can make it.
God can make it, I say spoil it.
Yeah. It's down.
And you go to your pastor.
Yeah, it boy down, it say, boy, they want you to walk far, my way to I see at Peso. They can't walk in the dark, you know, I know that you can my head go by.
You must slow down the dream. Well, you can dream, then you don't want to get a papier.
Then move from here, man. What's on papier? Yeah, then
after Philippa now, their next boyfriend. Tinku.
Next boyfriend and that Georgie.
From where?
In Africa and in Abidjan now.
So how you and Georgie met?
Georgie? Me and Georgie mean to sit down. That time we to sit down, yeah, that time go Africa, yeah.
And I don't feel me blower.
No, I leave Philippa. I leave Philippa. I say, I want you.
Wow. He was cheating. He got so many women.
No, I know, sir. I know how happy I leave Philippa. I leave Philippa now. Before now, I know that Georgie are loving to for her before I get to Philippa.
Tinku.
She will okay.
I know, sir.
You forget. You know your friend is a Philippa. Your friend.
You know that was Philippa. I leave Georgie before me and Philippa get there. Because the people there in the yard, in the town, they tell Georgie Georgie done away. Then I can't woman that I want that kind of woman.
You're the tea your medicine woman.
Yeah, that kind of woman there. Say go see there. Two the months before you go outside. Why you come from last there? We tell everybody. Then I want that woman. That now Georgie go. Then for the past I get there. See myself, we get chat. They say, oh, Philippa is stupid. That guy will see you. When you see you, she will talk. Then Philippa said, yeah, Lord see me. When I in we phone, Lord see me. So, me and Philippa now, I did Georgie say, the way my head can see people tell you now, you move from there. So, no problem. I can't come. Me and Thomas now, I go, I pay her water with Philippa. Then friends now, only 2 more now, I pay her.
Why that your woman be making hot water for men?
For what? I can't make hot water. For what? Someone come to you, then you make hot water.
You not make hot water for me and blessing here before. All the faces will not face here, you not give her anything. You're facing hot water whole day for men.
So now, then they tell Thomas now, that woman here can see you, she will put you boss at Thomas say I sleep there. While in we phone, Lord tell me.
So from Philippa and Thomas, who you love to you?
So what the man need?
But you see, I talk it from the beginning. I said the way they can love me all around, ain't new to all, ain't new to me. I'm talking about women down. I'm talking about myself. The problem I can put down while I go somewhere. When someone say I want you, I say you get woman. I say there, I say I want love to my friend woman.
But why if the man lie to you? You come to me, you say I like you. Eva, how you doing? For example, let's say someone I come meet you. I say, Eva, how you doing? Can we have a beer? We go. I buy you one pasty. We're drinking. We're having fun. Then you ask me, Mr. Wiz, you got woman I lie to you.
Then you say you not get woman. Then you agree to him.
We finish sleeping. Then you go find out I get woman.
And what do you do?
No, it can't happen. Oh, it can't happen. No way. No way, someone want to be in the community. Before I ask you, I make contact all over for.
So that community loving you used to do.
Yeah.
She asking the community every get woman.
She said she can go all the time.
So now, community people tell me, more people know you.
So Banto alright.
That play a band, I say, you see that boy there? Who know that boy there? I put him from where? I know that boy. Oh, I know that boy. Oh, I know 4 people now, 3 people. I say, you're okay. Why woman is it? Well, I never see woman, but you can't say I'm a woman, I can't see woman.
So you based on that information, you black it?
I pick it now. Me, mama, go for me, mama, born me. I never look to someone. Number. It not be today.
Why you spoiling your other friend and market? Getting love.
And you are loving.
No. Before I see Tonton not get no woman.
Tonton get a woman, you cheering man.
I want that way back talk. I say the time me and Tony start loving. I eat party hall. Since they get party hall. It's there now. Party hall. It's there now. That pay no 20. 20 see me say I say 20 you get woman. Say I get woman. My woman who am myself woman. I could get one child. The woman who am myself born that one child. The woman not want me. I want what to buy everything. But only thing I will tell you, I get my one child into my mind. I say okay. Let me start this. So I can have behind you blessing. No way. I can't just see you today. I say you say let go. That behind you.
But they may get money, good car, all that thing.
But the problem there.
When you get cars, I'll check behind you.
Shall we, man?
No be like just let that.
They feed it. And the better baby that is saying, you not get woman.
I want Maggie. Metal a partner for me.
But the message still let you like old me.
You stay hard.
Yeah.
You stay hard. You're taking enough fall down, let us say fall down.
The first thing I ask you, the first thing I think on your thing on it. My metal partner. Now I yet to mama grandchildren, and I tell my son God thank you, and I pray God for him when they were finished. Blessing. See man, you get like more than I get far. I get ballet. What the problem I get here for my whole problem. That one make it I get ballet. The day January finish with my whole. Oh blessing.
Tomorrow the people will start.
My daughter I be walking. You're the king. I be walking. You're the queen.
You're the queen.
You're the queen, my daughter. What? Like they worry me. While they down, the drink are coming now. Where take it out. Then they go now. Then my half was in the let me yo. Let me ask something for that's our plan now. Plain out that crowd. Yeah, on you.
Yeah, Miracle Smith, that's her house. We showed the house earlier. We will show you. That's her house right there. That's her house over the water. This is of her castle. And when that what all you used to wear to make men to admire you?
What?
Clothes, all that.
What kind of clothes? I say, I don't get time. I don't get time. They laugh at you. What care to tell you? Might care to tell. Then they straight gun. I mean straight dress. That only well.
That all.
Yeah. They take people from there. They show the painting.
The bomber.
Yeah. That all. That
all.
Yeah, that how people there do. I don't get down.
From the same club that one of the soap panties wear.
Yeah. But you can't throw. You can't walk on the ground. When it's throw the gun, start right here. Then Peter lead there. Then they throw the bubble. Don't wear it now, man.
Did you?
Yeah. Oh man. Then when you see my head, let down.
They hair. Fluffy.
Oh man. Hey go. When they hair, yeah. When my antiply, only one ply.
I know my friend. Only my working. Only it is so called.
Yeah. No. Before you call me, say I'll check behind you. I said, the man that call me just now. I see a man here, woman standing. Where I see you with woman. Put it in front.
You not see men in plastic before? You laughing? Oh.
Don't make me liar.
But you now open, man. You had a new plastic. You know, you just open the way I bring the rest here. You open new bed. Eh? I bring your Vita then. You open, move all the plastic from over. You not see men, especially Liberian men, and we're useless at that.
But that's why I say, see men on my door right now. See men, my mental partner. See any man on my door now. I'm feeling that.
But the way they better baby can you not feeling that?
What I got a poet, a paper say. I will be man here. Now I'm born here.
That man not born here.
That man not born here. Then I said to I'm born here. I won't be man here. I just play. Let my son finish with her. That time you will know my color. That time you will know what I meant we can't hear. And that make it a drop funny.
But I want to be sleeping in a beer, yeah?
Where was he there now?
Yeah,
boy. The time you and man, the time you are doing man Benet. What you were about man Benet that you really used to like? Let me answer that question. Eh?
Man Benet, there people can learn.
Yeah, you mean you say, oh, my man, I like when he's sitting down, we drinking our tea or we drinking our pasty. I'm in the bedroom.
No get time, say we can't drink you. We can't drink me. No get time, say we can't drink nothing. Just eat right. We point with me.
You
when man come today, when say coming, boyfriend coming today to the town. Oh man, forget it. You go on the trial, man, love me. 2,000, 1,000. Put in the park, quick. Then you man in the very important row.
The man or no?
Yeah, man can know.
The man said go look for the red.
Ma, you must say, you say, Mama, I want to do the one I see to it. You say, want to do it that say. Well, anyone you want to take it, but you take time with my me then. Why you able to go for you and friend then? You want, you might not want to say boyfriend.
Oh, she don't want to say boyfriend.
Yeah. Well, when friend then you want you.
Where you used to eat something because they can't those days they can't give you the room and that they respect to the people.
That time when they pay the hall, that papo, then they thought the hall. They thought the hall. When that time during get there, they will make that hall fill that hall with 10 room.
10 room.
One person, one room.
Oh,
yeah, one person, one room. That time. Wow. Like that now.
I thought you go eat something in the tree or in the farm.
I mother the pay her. When I say children, say room. One boy get in a room, one girl get in a room, one boy get in a room, one girl get in a room. Then they are that man pa together uno one. In the night be coming. We disturb you, we call you.
Hey, did you?
I say that what this now? Yeah, I feel them well. They have saloon.
Okay, Alessandra, go ahead.
Say children that saloon that say how they will pay. My baby, I mean say children that saloon they will pay. You can't join together. You can't see together.
So there's some children, the way we looking at in your town.
Listen then.
You're by your suffering. That's what we are. We don't get done. We know how to answer. We know how to. We're going to dry now. Me. Me say, yeah, me, yeah. You mind the fellow. Then you ain't bothering the town.
Huh?
Hey, my loved one.
Yeah, now we are lawful. You may say lawful. Now we are lawful. Huh?
That Georgie. In your piano.
You love
you first.
Yeah.
Before Fede Parker.
Yeah.
But you love
yeah.
And he not you bomb by him. Why he know how to bomb?
Bomb him, but that Fede bomb.
Georgie Pie know how to bomb, baby.
I get time for him. When he born that he been he born. Say to Africa when he born here. Like what? Huh? I'm born answer.
Ruth say when they fire hot to the how they cross.
He person one room.
You have bed that sponge or that on the
no.
They have
bamboo. How you know bamboo?
Yeah.
They feel bamboo bear. Then bamboo will not leave.
Yeah.
Then we dry a poo. We put it on the bed. Then you put it lapa there. When you see yeah, mattress. Yeah, mattress.
So are you ready?
And then where you enjoy where you so that it can have your bar.
Yeah, that thing then when you call that thing tree, you will pick it when you put it on the bed. Yeah, real mattress.
Wow.
Yeah, when you lay down on set, and see care you. Yeah, I don't get time of follow.
You missing it?
They can't come back.
I don't know, they will suffer.
One room.
Where they get it?
Then you go in the bush now. Call it bamboo. Bamboo, call it bamboo. Then you call it bamboo leaf. Move the step from there.
Yeah, piassava. I know it. They make it soft.
Then you put it on the sun. Then they feel the bamboo not be now. Hey, oh man.
Love was sweet that
time. When you feel that bamboo bay. Your tree. I think what you lay down on it. Or you won't feel yourself. They make it big.
Feel yourself,
no, the way matter can be big, you far off some, you're not far off, you want near, then you come together. But you want far off. Yeah, one far off, then you far off and that you feel that bamboo there.
Also, when you're not make flower.
No, that flower business.
When you're not make flower, you can come together. When you make flower, you get it where you can space yourself.
Yeah.
So that what the big, you're not make it big, it got double big.
Bamboo bed big. Then I bamboo something. Then you put it on the bed now. Then it was so when dry on the sun now. Press it down. Then I want one lapa then put it there now. Oh man, when you lay down that bamboo something, pressing you sleep.
Okay.
Yeah. One thing while there I don't get time. He put in one room.
But you're not disturbed, like you and where he in the room. You don't make sound.
You enjoy.
No, the bamboo.
The old man will hear that kind of sound. Her daughter making noise, eating something.
No, you can't do a bamboo.
Because I play not get sitting time.
Bamboo, they can't do it. They nail that bamboo something. They can't say.
No.
Oh. Be standing around so they can't say. They can't do it. Yeah, that bamboo. That bamboo when they face it, when your boyfriend, you're going in the bush, you're being a bamboo. When a man face it, before you can't say, I can't face it. Oh God.
So one son, nobody will know you're doing something.
Oh no son. Hey yeah. Oh, I don't get now. But I can't come. I get old. I get old. Why in the town when people say, oh, hey yeah, you look at that fine girl. Hey yeah, keep my head lay down here.
And I hear what the meeting.
Yeah.
Open tea.
Lay down.
Or BP food.
Yeah. Lay down when
Drink
people be coming. Yeah, look at that fine girl. That girl, man. Don't go there. That girl, you see your fan like that? You shall see. Go there to
the way you are funny, your man is away for your mom.
Yeah. Georgie Pie work for mama. You know what they can do that time?
Good question,
when you ma British farm, they will go in the farm and brushing my farm. When I post stay down, they will call it stay down. When I boil farm, the man who want you now, you burn farm. When I apply on letter now, then you know time from there now.
When he not do it, that useless man.
Then you might say that man, that for nothing man, that little man, don't get behind you.
When you do it, pal, I want your day body you looking for now.
So Georgie work for my people then. Yeah.
Georgie, why you not born for that? He work for your people.
He work for my family there, yeah, Jacka.
So anything that big.
Yeah, myself go in the bush and call pa. When you call pa now, there will be a pa.
Let me ask you. When you and your man you're going in the bush, you don't get time. You're go pick up things and things. You don't eat something in the bush.
No, they say when you do it, then you can't born that man in the bush. They say that man in the house, man, then can't talk. They way you're going, you're two of them go for pa. You not do anything. Oh, when that man see you do any man, baby.
You're not born.
Yeah, that too.
So that was special law.
Yeah, that too. When that man see you, they see you no more get charged until you later.
Wow, I know one girl, she can't born. It look like she used to eat something on the farm.
When you eat, man see when you in the bush. Something like in the bush, you can go wherever. When see you finish, go cha.
And your yeah,
that who here?
Lovekun, Hannah, Lualo, Matilda. And all of your in there, you're watching you.
But you can't go in the
Benetta, yeah.
So what are you going to tell me now?
Huh?
What are you going to tell the people?
But I telling them now, I telling them, patient, you're don't. August, none of y'all must make sure, Josiah, y'all stay away from the bush.
Yeah.
Ah.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Yes, sir. Dina, yeah, that one man, don't take by in the net. That man, that guy they can call that man. That one will see with you, no money, baby.
No money.
You can't buy again. So they will hear. Well, say long so take back quick. Meanwhile, getting there.
You better move from there. I know my friend where Nana loving to Mami Water.
You get to a good thing. How much is together? See, lot of Mami Water. How much is together?
Okay, yeah, Mami Water they have one son, the ball go back. Because they couldn't let Mami Water to live at JFK.
Jenny, I talk as I do. Mommy Water born before.
Then hide the plenty around now.
The one that yeah. Mommy Water then that yeah. Why people not chase them? They can't make it with them. Yeah. I'm joking. I said, why people not chase them? They can't make it. They say they want brother, chase them. But they can't make it. They yell. That one.
The white people want. But how do the American people, they think we're stupid, eh? The one can't take our own strength, our own women, and Mami Water them from they get Mami Water them to their play. Why they can't use that one and what to them?
That one, Jenny, I got to buy in now. That want to see I catch you.
Well, you not get me. But why you scared to take buy in there? You not pony again.
Yeah, but I think there, more see where you stomach will be hitting you. That man, that's not
a stupid man to can't go sleep with old lady.
That man, no more. Papa, that man also.
That lie, all the men are not even reach 30 years old. That young man, they get old papa.
Well, go somewhere I can't live. You know what I can do? I put my tower in your pocket. I go in my room. If they want, open. I wet my things.
Oh, you can't take back. You scared?
I can't take back.
But you have money again.
Yeah, boy, it's not good where behind you. You still can be hurting you.
Joanna Peters. one girl named Jojo, she watching you. For a real woman. She put her lip, her body, everything real. And you know, I advising her, she will not do something in the bush.
In the bush.
Yeah.
The time me and Georgie were laughing, and my man used to tell me, "More go for pa. You're not do me video. Some kind of thing in the bush, where the TC yo, no money for 2 of you forever. No money for 2 of you, our man can.
And you never ate something, Georgie not try?
No, the man, oh, my finish tell I will do map in the bush. They say that's something I think they can. You're walking in the bush. Walking. You call that thing, something like Gina, they can walk in the bush. Well, Gina see you.
How much the highest that those days your boyfriend has spent on you? Money why? I mean cutting farm.
Oh man, that time said no money Benny.
Yeah.
The man used to come and pay the man farm.
Yeah.
And call the man stay down and pay the man her. That all. No money. Papa her.
That all.
Yeah. That all they doing that time.
No money, no nothing.
No money. So when
you like kiss? You used to kiss?
Oh, that one about leave it.
Oh yeah.
That one about we can't leave it. Young girl said before the man see I like you. Oh, that girl that going for water down there. I like you. Your people call again. They say they call you go there. The first one they will kiss you. I say you see mama you go. I like you, man. Say okay.
You do tone to tone all that jet.
Everything.
All that jet there.
No, I beg you.
But move from there, man. Wow, country crime man. You actually are not crime man too. But you buy one do because you know people watching you. One can lie. But get off from there.
You know.
No, but you if you say you are kissing because your lip will show it.
You know.
And you know your lip will show that you used to kiss a lot. But now other
when
people.
When a man be kissing you, you turn. It will hold you turn. You take like one quarter.
Oh yeah.
I don't get that. My son ain't come back.
It will never come back.
No
You don't miss it.
No more will come back.
I say when I lay down for long, I came and have over that laugh. That's happening again.
Oh, you don't be thinking.
Yeah,
you get carry yourself.
From my younger time, I forgot all the things you do younger time. They sit down right here. Yeah, you learn po. Then you pass interview. Then they take you from there. You can't forget what I want.
Huh? What was the best time you had in the bedroom?
Yeah.
The best time in the bedroom.
I let Georgie Monaton and Philippa.
Yeah, but what the best time you and Georgie spent in the bedroom?
Don't let go yourself. You can't what
problem I get? Yeah, trust you look at her trust.
I'm a trust. That's all trust. I say you want my son. She get my son so big. Don't trust it. They can't see and feel it. They can't do and feel it together. Feel it do everything. Don't trust it.
I trust it. Nothing is about.
Yeah, that feel it by the trust it. Yeah, well you say trust it. Now she had it, but we can't have it. Sample for us. Everybody will see it.
We're going. You sit down there, blessing. Let her sit down there.
Shall we am sit down?
Yeah, man.
Sit down. The people come fill in your heart. Yeah, go there.
What you are talking?
The question I ask you. I say you and Philip, not Philip. Or what his name? Georgie.
Or Thomas.
Whoever. What the best time you had in the bedroom? Let me sit down. Look down there.
Go inside there.
Oh, wait, Bob, no, they play bad,
She let nobody go home.
No, car, tell you know they play. They play what they can, we're falling now, go see the play now.
You sit down there, I come in, sit right there, and blessing, you sit down on that in there. Come near her, yeah. There you go. Let her sit down on there. You go there. Yeah, I'll go there.
Then what play blessing you sit down now?
Blessing you sit down near me. Go down there. I want to show you. I want to show you near your house.
You say, stop you.
Blessing move. Go down there. Yeah.
Well, thank you.
Let's see, sit down right there. I ask you one question you don't want to answer. I say, from the time you've been knowing yourself, you've been knowing yourself.
No, sit down, sit down right here. Sit down. Okay.
The time you've been knowing yourself. What the best time you ever had in the bedroom?
What in best in the bedroom?
In the room, you and Philippa or somebody say, oh, we're there. I cook the pepper soup. I took all the good, all that thing.
And the people say they stare at me, they can't get me.
Yeah.
The people say they don't want to see me. When the person who's around there say me and the young guy here will see you all today. The people say, hey, you go there, that woman will see you. They say, hey, you go there, that woman will see you. That say the power.
When the first time you started wearing bra?
Can you blah?
Brazil.
Then I left.
And you say you wear a thing, you can talk. I ask you all the questions there today.
Hey, what do you mean by what I would tell
the first time you ever wear Brazil?
Oh, I forget now. Oh, they said no. That time said, I don't get time. We know what preserve in it. Yeah, we know what preserve in it. They laugh at you. They saw the gun straight down. That it be on you.
So so the way the children are wear the new push-up bra now.
Yeah.
Because they come from China, small tete inside tete in tete.
Yeah, but no what they do. No tete, no small there.
Why they do maybe next one? See,
No tete there. But they tete yeah. Me and one guy can now. They tete there. When I see you, yeah, Toto dance. They tete.
Now how she describe it today?
Yeah, Toto chair. Nothing there. Go, mommy. Go. Nothing there. I said nothing there.
What you tell her?
Poor my children that you are going to photo tell the water in the car get to my children. I said, my can't worry me with the day I deliver, I do my child. Then you press it, follow the car, go to get to my child. Say that all you know. Then our man said, that's not today, they make you get water. I said, don't tell her, come mommy, while brother, oh, job on. Then you give me the water.
Oh, so small tete produce more water.
Yeah.
So all the people will, yeah. I learned something today.
Yeah. No, today when you get better now. Oh, they're passing now. You want no way for water to sit down there. I tell you now, yeah, boo. But if you today, water can go there, they can't help you. You can't even feed it.
Yeah.
So not today now. They will pass. Oh,
they're looking for a place.
Yeah, water look for a place to sit down. You don't know today. Yeah.
Yeah, they say small tete on milk is sweet.
Then tell mommy say look at chair. When you see your chair, yeah, doctor chair. I say yeah, doctor chair. You get plenty tete now. What the level? Just get the tete. Just bring a cup. I'm gonna carry a cup to you. Put tete water there.
They got new machine now in America. They wear people fill machine because the woman can't get the children to wear, so they call it breast pump.
Yeah, okay.
They saw all the titty, they full of bucket them. Yeah, no, they get machine
to press all the titty.
Let us say you working now in town to post office.
Yeah.
You join today, and after 2 weeks, I will go back to work.
Yeah.
Then that machine you buy it at $300, almost $400 for it. You will put it to your titty. It will full of one bottle. You put the other one, it full of one bottle.
That whole day now.
It are 12 bottles for the children. You full of 12 bottles, then you go to work.
Well, now I can't lead a job. I will just take my blood like that. I say I feed the children.
Oh, you lead a job.
And if leave my mom lead a job, then the man who gave me that all that children that you will feed up. That talk government, they said we try and get that. Men that gave me that children, that you will feed the children, I can't do that the whole time way.
Yeah, because blessing, I'm not joking. I do have picnic in joke, but breast pump.
You see, that's telling people. I can't do it. The only way better come from in the sky fall down on me. Where come from in the sky on me before I buy my better there. But you lay down with me, I get better. Then you say, black and white, no more. If maybe first I did a child with you, I went my business. Huh? When child will know me.
Your child you suffer the bone.
Yeah. But you see why they time men then they go. They are born for you, then you make me a suffering. When I say buy the meal, then you say no meal. Buy the battle, I won't go to where buy battle, let's just saw the battle when I come by. I say no. Big man can't carry child. Why carry child to work for? I can't tell the child to well.
Tell them getting well washing the plenty of them from America that what did they do? They get our machine. And I think when they suck the tete, the eyeball or 10, they go to where someone else.
Oh, you know for two. They can't tell. Yeah. That's too bad. You continue with that. I'm talking about my son. Continue doing that thing with that. Before they see that block.
Yeah.
That block was doing all they want. They want step behind go. You not see someone step behind go before?
Matilda, yeah, that's what the white people do. Matilda get to, she said she had a pump. She had the same pump.
Doesn't go ahead. You come to yourself. And they get some people then they wear dry like that. And they make it now they be Mary Bobby.
Yeah.
They get a tablet.
Yeah, that tablet.
Fucking that man that day. I said that thing here. You're selling to Mary Bobby. Go get everybody by the time read you far. You're getting far. Then your battle.
But what blessing taking? Yeah, you see, look at blessing for. You see? Oh, you know you're rolling on the ground.
Yeah, man.
Oh,
she's taking it. Tell her to stand up, blessing.
So now
you taking it. She's taking it. Hey, see, blessing ball be like that before.
No.
Oh, Charlie, man, you say my boy,
they feed there now. You getting far like that. So now
she taking it.
They can get to their they can want to buy a tablet. Then they copy from there. They get children and when they get that small.
Oh, the man then give it to the get children.
Yeah, when I see the children there now, but I can go to the children. They can come there. They can come there. Then now I'm fucking one man. I said the thing you're doing now, in my radio. I said the thing you're don't do. The thing you're doing now, why you always say Mary Bob be tablet? Why you always sell it for? They say that thing they get canceled. They get canceled.
Yeah, canceled.
They get canceled. The man work for you, oh man. Don't for my business. I tell you.
They were the man who was selling it.
Yeah, the man who was selling it.
Oh, you are fair with him.
Yeah, I said that thing. Yeah. They can say Mary Bobby. They get canceled. He said don't for my business. Don't for my business. When you take it, but don't for my business. I said well, now you take it. And people who take it, they will know. When they get that cancel that business. So Mary Bobby, it gets canceled. I tell you what.
Yeah, I think got canceled.
I tell you that day you get fair with me. You old man, you transport people business. I said sorry, yeah, but everything. The people who taking it when they buy that tablet, then they divide it. When I do get you get, then they divide it.
No, Mr. We said taking it. Why give you the $1?
You lie, you taking it.
$5 sleep.
But not the time we're talking about when they get B now. You can go to multi-beat or 20 years. 20 years now, then you ready to get that tablet and see your born now. Bukuru. Yeah, the way you tell that they can't get it.
And I think if your ball big, it was gonna give you hard time for you to walk from that place down on a bridge.
Go to church one. When you see some people ball, and feel on the door, elephant ball. I can't tell that to you, Johnny. No more. Ball ball give me. It will come. My son, no more. That one made a man for a message as for you business. It's about me. May Bobby. I said that thing that you're selling to. They say get canceled. They say, oh man, don't spoil my business. I said sorry. About that business. You take more people and Mary Bobby tablet when you get canceled.
They get it one for titty. They get it one for butt. Everything now they taking it.
Then take it.
When you're dead, then everything was natural.
Hey.
That's why I believe.
We know that to you. That tablet, that answer, that quantum medicine. When you say they go down, you might go to the knee, they lay down, they lay down, they prepare you, sick and go, or fever go. That this time now,
In America, I go put finger in my son throat. The man there, the white people did it. I say, what him bring all of y'all to the thing here? As soon as he in 1 hour time, all the snap, everything come from him. All that thing there. Soon the money he go to school, he go explain that. The police people come to the hall. I say, but who? I say, no, I had chocolate on my hand. I put it on his tongue.
That's the only way.
Because, yeah.
I can't do it. Yeah, to war. No more. I may Bobby, no more. The buy go give me a can. And no more. Nothing in my heart. You ever see me? I'll get.
You used to wear beads on your waist?
The bean? That young girl now, as soon as I'm there, fitting the bean, they put on our way. When they put on our way now, that time they can fall over there now. They blow, they lap it, they call it. That boss, they put it lapa, they call it so. Then they put bean away. Then they put it lapa, they bean, then they pass over, then they pass over.
Oh, so the bee used to hold the bubble?
Yeah. When they want to it, then they call it lapa pea. How you wait looking that how they will call it? Then they
make it look like rope.
Yeah. Then they put a piece of cloth there now. That pencil.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
Huh? When you see a group of boys then standing somewhere, you not go there?
What's that? I wouldn't know what it is.
Wow. Guys, keep one girl watching you on the Josephine Wall. When you see her butt, now someone be a bee. Now my niece, I'll be begging her. I said, don't take baby boy bitch. She got sent for it from Montreal.
One woman I know, you say maybe Bobby, she can take 3 lapa. Why the 3 lapa? I say, I don't know. I see the
and turn it to 1?
And turn it to 1 lapa. Oh, I said that woman that sick now. She living why play ni say?
Can't just zero.
Can't just low.
Not possible.
But she go her.
I know she's still living.
The people say she down.
Not possible.
3 lapa or 2 lapa can make it 3.
Huh?
3 lapa that woman taking. That woman time. But she go her. But when I may Bobby tablet.
Oh, that natural bush she have.
Yeah. So people follow that. Father do not let that. They put more tablet there. They put no tablet there.
They buy the tablet free.
Yeah. They buy tablet there.
You need to take small.
I can't tell nothing. I let my body that one will be working. Amen.
Just dress small from small. With black out, just dress. And you see, my evil horse, the rain I come. Sit down right here. Y'all be sending your money, y'all be sending your mobile money. Don't forget it. No, sit down right here. Sit down right here. Where you're chair in front. Sit down right there. Sit down right there. Sit down right here. We're not doing nothing. Sit down right here. Keep that your daughter you must talk to let her move and the tablet then she not take now. They level where she get on now. You know. So guys, keep your contribution.
I forgot to tell you, I say when you want come to all year, when we no fall, let us say today and tomorrow, then when you come now, you be people. That they get suffer yesterday. And the other folk ladder, they want, I feel not yesterday.
They say the woman still in Ken Johnson Road, Bossy Bob. Yeah. Somebody say one blessing, one get any blessing come now. She say she know her Bossy Bob. Yeah. It falling.
You see how I play, okay?
Yeah.
Can't sit down right here. They can't sit down here and take my photo.
Going from Simon. Just go right. Go right. You all right down there. Sit down there. Sit down.
But rain will be you.
No, rain will not be me. Go right there.
Look at the plan.
Go sit down near. Go sit down near blessing. Bring them one here. Let me sit down.
Oh man. Oh.
Go sit down. hoop me, yeah. I can't face your plate.
Yo, doesn't move. That
I think when
you so
now you talk
I won't put a bucket there.
Now you talk about her giving that tablet. I was making shit blessing not feeding.
But I take tablet.
You say all black. Wait, Bobby. The man doesn't know.
One girl named Miracle. She said, "I'm gonna ask you, what kind of advice you get for them because they don't come in Montreal and take men from Africa and Canada and America, then the men don't run away."
Yeah, but it's true.
Yeah, but what she talking?
You say what thing, Jana? What you say?
They don't go here, they don't come here, they take men. They don't come here, they take men from here.
Yeah.
Then they get the men America.
Yeah.
When the men go, then the men will run away and go take different women.
Yeah, but they look for it, it's stupid. I'm a take men from here, I tell you, America, down, say, so. No more, I can't do that.
You were here, I tell you, you can do that thing.
Yeah, man.
What do you do?
Sit down.
Hey, man, I won't put the bucket here, very pretty, you can say what thing.
What thing go down? We here, let the rain come back. What won't you worry? So
then you care somewhere, America, then you probably you tell the American woman.
Yeah, no, yeah, they don't go, they don't run away. They all go to different Liberian girl, but different place. The men was sent for them. 1 year, 2 years, they look for the visa, everything. You suffering yet?
They don't get what to do.
Some of them
stupid, that pro, they're not son.
They son. They people son, they just say, they can carry the thing, they carry the men, they marry and they carry it for them to do the job. Then the men can do them because they see America now. They can do them, they go. So she say, we're gonna have fast to get again. They must stay Kenya for men or they must stay in America to get men.
That thing there will get song for it. You got a song, you can sing the song. You got a song for you.
What is song singing?
When someone warn you, they carry you Abidjan. Then they leave there, they see different women Abidjan, then you carry the men to Abidjan now, the men got you down. Then they say Abidjan woman now. You see a fan, I want to get it down there.
Huh?
How they get Africa, you can't try that. Nothing yet. I want to get nothing, but Africa, you can't try it.
Yeah.
No more. Never try that. Nothing. They say you, when they tell you that, they put you on the street. Try it.
Wow.
That's why I can tell that I say, your country street. You have your street. Well, go Africa, do that nonsense. So the money they finish with you.
Somebody take all the money to you. They can sometimes they can't even talk to the family, then they carry you America.
Oh. One guy do.
Then the time when they reach now, when they not reach here, they will call, they say, baby, you found your airport, they can't see nothing wrong. So now they reach there now, then they say, you see that one? She didn't even know how to dress. Yeah. She didn't know how to do this. Now they start finding all kind of
dressing women can't part in front of her now.
Yeah.
They want where they want. They want where they want.
You're in you say you're going to see women there. Then they carry it and they go to the women, they won't carry it.
Yeah, but women stupid, they look for it. Me?
They not look for it now, like help they give in so people they been loving the men here.
Let me ask you, man, you are Liberian men and the women who group are the friend?
Who come back?
Liberian men and the Liberian men and the women who group are the friend?
The women and the men.
The men, yeah.
The women wicked, the men wicked. All of them equal. No party. All of them equal. Well, you do me, I do you. That is good for a country, yeah, good for the garden. Do me, I do you. The men can do everything in the sun yourself. The men pay you all. For good woman, it's not a good woman now. Well, you know, God made mistake. Our father made mistake. God's supposed to put right on people's face. When you wicked now, what's it? Wicked.
Oh.
God made me say that one nothing too much now. With a living thing. When you wicked, we can see. God make it.
Roll.
No. Yeah, that's what I want to do. Yeah, I go. Well, be playing. All I want can put my boy inside.
You joking?
We can love you all, huh? What is love?
Hey.
Ajable.
That one the right now be plenty people in the country.
Oh God. You see that God made mistake. That what me I get there with them. I can't see them. They say that. Everybody, anyone you let, go put it there. When I put it be coming, when I put it lucky too, it will not lucky. You put it right here. Then you're mad. Well, not that. Go them with all the things we have to. That who you inside, you know. Just inside, you know. When they put in the swan, then when you drink that bread, then you must take money.
The time you were working at the post office,
Yeah.
your tete then was still standing.
Yeah.
You were still fresh.
Yeah, still play living.
Living.
But now I'm working now.
Hold on.
I'm working.
You ate something with somebody at the
I say,
office?
then they leave me the time my father born me. My poor man, I love to someone husband. My one boss
But you're not at the post office there.
Post office?
Yeah.
No. I pay myself, yeah.
How about the white people then? The white people then when used to come there?
I said one white man used to come when he come. When he see me, I finish sweet. Then I put my water cooler outside. I said, and when he see me, you know, they get a basket there. They get key. They open it. They load there. Letter for them.
They take their own mail. They close it.
Then they close it back. When it come to me now, I said, when it come to me, stay happen there. I said, get from me. You think I want white man? You can't tell you where basket there is. Anytime when I man come to post office, won't tell you back. If you can't go there for, soon as see me now, they come from me. They hear that. If we have it, always wear fake care. You can't then say fake care from there. They can. I said, get from me. You think that white man I want? You over when say when you born with, they say white people when they born, you were born for them. When they born for, I know, then they leave you. Then you carefully. I mean, my people say carefully.
Yeah.
Then they leave you. You born. White
men when you born for them, they don't leave you.
When they born, yeah, I know. They say when you born for them, then they lead that child. They lead that child.
Yeah.
They can't care to their home.
So all that thing you were scared, yeah.
They can't care.
After child.
Yeah, they can't tell you. So long you born by white man, or white man not born by white woman, forget it. One outside they say
you bastard child.
Yeah, they can't carry you. They can't carry you to white country, white people country. They can't carry them. That's why I feel there. So I know that.
So that the thing that used to make you be afraid.
No, that but I want white man. I'm white. I think of my different thing. I thinking I will. That time say I know about how being you. That time I'm telling you I know about how being you. I'm beating you. That my idea make it say I said I'm here.
Anybody, you and any woman now for? You and any woman now for?
Sir, bon. I never. That what God gave me all the power, all the answers. Sir, bon. I never fought me and no woman, no person. I never fought someone. I never fought the person before. Until I get there. When is that God to me? When you call me, I be passing self. You call me self. I say I deal with boy. No more. I never saw my anybody. That what God gave me all I want.
You used to go to the nightclub to dance?
No, I know nightclub. I know nightclub. I know what.
Yeah, when you started, why you learn how to drink pasty and
party, and the post office, the poor program. There is a what is, and the program can be all the thing there. When you poor party, when you poor party, everybody.
Oh, at your job, they don't want me to drink liquor.
On the job, when job finish, it gets better. They left Friday, the Saturday. Then the poor program now. The few times say, one poor program. I say when you see, oh, good weekend. Saturday, Sunday not there. Sunday everybody go to church. Saturday, then so one poor program. I see the paper go there. They say, oh, my you, hey yeah, mother, yeah. Then they need the more now. Hey man, mother, look at more. Look at hey, I quite woman, come. They call me. I go. They came out on the table. Chicky, where all the one, your man thing, they put it inside the table. Tewe. Give it to me.
In a what?
In a tewe.
Chowe, tewe.
They put the food. That tewe. In the
They give me
tewe. 2 tewe.
Yeah.
They put what all of the put inside your tewe.
They put chicken, flat chicken, pipi chiquita. They put bread. They put macaroni. They put all type of things inside. Yeah. How is it?
The tina.
I eat one. Then the other one I put in my pocket. I can't finish.
They didn't take away. Say.
Take away.
Take away.
Take away.
Yeah.
They give me 2.
2 take away.
Yeah. So I eat one, the other one I put it. That one when I take program in the office, will be going there. You can get a big bread there.
Yeah, for that.
Yeah.
Wow.
So we are man.
Yeah, that take away. The woman that beat you.
I say, well, find somewhere. Me, that one I look. You know me, but I said nobody beside God. My early person, you want run out tree, I finish tree now. They say Eddie come you one. Everybody on the go. I said your way, remember. Ramu. You for the crew. Because all my wife all my wife I said I'm doing it. I can't to my Maya or the Ellie. I can't fit it off. You know why he said you need it, oh man. Oh my fire, for Ellie also. Wow, it's here now. I see it. I get it. I do anybody. I love it to someone else more. That concern me. Well, go open my Lord, you can't win.
Correct.
When it's very there, it's nothing to happen then husband. Why you doing that for? You found simple man.
Plenty getting here loving the people, men, don't spoil that show.
That my business. When I show for my son.
Yeah, but people here.
They know who that what they get, that what they want, they can't get it. Don't make it swim hard when. Look for your own. I think that thing that can make me fair. Someone see your husband, they suffer. They look for ground to stand. Then you put yourself there. You know?
Suppose that the only man you get, the only opportunity you get, then why you can't find that man? Why you can't stay with that man?
Who?
Like if I'm a woman now, I see you get Philip, and I let him man. I will just let you the more time you be with him when he free, now I join there.
Oh, when
until I can find my own.
When I free, that one part they know.
Yeah.
I can't be with a man. Then say, come man, why am I with you? Say, come, I'll do something for you.
Anytime, yeah, but anytime that you will be with Philippa, but then the other woman, when she see that Philippa go to work and you're not there, she just say, come in my room.
Yeah, that is all they can do. Super women then. They let their friend that man be. They let their friend that man be. So
why they will get all the men standing to Zogo here, some of them in jail, all that thing, what play they get and will find all the men now?
Man, then what floating? Yeah, float up. That floating, yeah, float up. They control now. The men that in the country, I know men plenty power women, or that women plenty power men. I know you. Maybe so men.
You become you plenty men are running behind you saying no, but the guy getting well crying in the town. They can't even get one.
I say they just cry. You know it for 2 days. Just cry, worry now. They worry, but the one make it go bloody away. They can't go to church.
Oh.
They can't go to church. You want to do something? You want man. You want to go to church, pray. God will send man. God will send you man. But they can't go to church. Every day they be at symptom.
Yeah, you go at it.
Yeah, they be at symptom. What symptom will do?
Also, symptom can get you man.
Symptom that devil will get you man. Devil that feed that.
So when they want good man, they gotta go to the church. But the guy pastor then will tell you say, "Come, I'll give you man."
Yeah, well.
They got some pastor then will say they get good man, the selling man.
Yeah, but before pastor then do it, they will settle it for you. Come in the church 2 times, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Say because someone.
Oh, if I don't get.
There are some people in the church say the way I see it now. They get here. Who can come here? Church, you let it get. The guest is in there, man. Let it get.
Then they join you.
When the girl the boy let the girl say, "Yo, pastor, I said or you that I want that girl." Say, "Okay, I give that girl to you." Then you get between you and I. Say, "Good."
Yeah,
Pastor can do pastor. He can't make anybody feel bad. You say, "Pastor."
suppose you want to eat something just free. You want your man, you want to eat something, you can go to the pastor.
Pastor, hang on that one. You say, pastor again, then say you want free thing. They're not devil where there.
Suppose you tell pastor, I just want to take one hair pass. Now I'm married.
Pastor can't take
I'm a Bible church.
He wanted, he wants to take that one. I said, then you say, I'm going to go there. My hand on inside. You know, pastor. He said, my hand on inside. Just go. Like, oh. That kind of thing, their pastor, then they can put their hand inside. Feel that feed that. Who would you feel that feed that? Ah, Jacka. That's symptom. So I tell them today, I say,
guys, we want to say thanks to all of you who have helped Mount Eva to get this guy to come and fix this place. We want you to keep your contribution coming, and we will always visit Mount Eva periodically. As long as we're here, we'll come for her to give us some education and keep us going. The same way here with Blessing. We want to ask all of you that are on this particular broadcast to continue to lend your support, whether before or after, and then we will know who are the finest women in the whole country. Greville, Crown. Yeah.
But that question there for God. That God will answer that one. God makes some people fine. God makes some people. That God say that God when the man, when you be together before you get a better, when a man ugly, child of you ugly. When a woman, child of you. Yeah, that God, you know. That why I say, when you man find woman, all you think can be, say, look, I see why a child found, or man found, or pa found. I see. That children then will be found. A child, man ugly, man found. Maybe child will take the man side, then child will be ugly. Or the child will take my side, child will be fine. That what do you do that? To
born boy child or girl child.
All of them.
How can you manage to born boy or born girl?
How you know that boy child coming?
So well, one woman say they say if you want born girl, you want born girl child, the room gotta be cold when you're eating something.
Yeah,
but to bomb ball, the room gotta be hot.
I know after I know yet room get your room ha, boy your room. Oh, I know yet go not say that one. Don't do it. Don't laugh. Go can say it. They want me. I know. What thing you want be? All the living things go Jesus face. All the living things go in Jesus face. When God said they want it for you, it for you. I care. I no care what element is. I no care. God say it for you, my child. So don't be afraid. When you do, God will continue it. The way you now, Janet, that what I play for you. I said for God, that my son there. Don't make he put here in Satan. You must put here in Satan bende. Then the way you doing now, it can't done. That way you doing it can't be done. Because you put here in Satan bende. Satan can't get to nowhere besides the two people that up. So the way you put it on there, any bende you do, it will
just be going up,
be up. Because God said down right here, when you finish playing now, all the things we doing, you finish do all you want. You do it near blessing now. You go now, in the day now, then you be answered. No more see again. No more.
Wow.
So I tell you now, I want born you. Now you wear the way you pick up now. God, that God tell you that you know where God give you. But God give to you now, then you be answered. Satan, you
why did a sporting man need?
Satan?
Yeah, some people and they do that bad thing, this and that, they say, that the devil fool me.
Yeah. You know, just say God fool me. That devil can stand there. When devil say go right here, you go there.
But Sunday they allow that man in Suntown.
Yeah, man got that. I tell you, can tell you they can lie, Yanni. You see, I say gray hair. Gray hair can eat. I say, you see, that one on the
For young boy, your hair, man. Oh, you still young.
Yeah, but the thing what bothered me, let move from in front of me.
Yeah, the
now
people try. They
I say, Jeremy, oh, my son. Yeah. I say, my at least time when you see me. Yeah, that today. But the problem here that maybe I sit down, I thinking on the year. Let us say, you will see me, Jeremy. When you play finish, the day that I'm ready, you say, Blessing, you say that man, you got there. Say that what there? You were talking that day, man. You were talking.
I know your boyfriend and I tell you to neck club.
What kind of neck club? What kind of man say? I know neck club. I want man. Poor I pay myself. Wait, let you off me that time you know what I learn, man.
And then what do you do now?
I said now. Yeah, my man inside there.
She said she said down.
I've been the man outside there.
She brought me outside last time.
I've been my man outside.
All right. She like to put the iron there.
I say, what a man will do, my child. This time, man, what God will do. My friend, then what myself equal. The beyond man, you. But me, I normal. Normal. I poor.
That brand man useless.
Beyond the old man, then beyond young boy, then. Yo, old man, then that young boy, then the level. I know some of them now. Beyond young boy, then. I pay myself.
But yeah, for the one young blood now. Well, you man, you go be running behind Papi. People now.
Let them go now. You know what young boy will care then? You can go.
To me, you live long.
Okay. You are going to say, sit on maybe long. That's what that sit on. You say, oh, but I go with maybe long. But I go with maybe a little long. Yeah. That's what they say. Oh man, you will be.
Let lead the old man.
You will be.
Why you be talking? Be closing your eyeball like
you will be stay long. Yeah, more roof. You know more roof.
Who?
More roof. More roof. You can eat it.
More roof.
Not say to bola you bola.
Yeah, the English name.
More roof.
Eh?
More roof.
Call again.
More roof.
More
roof.
Roof.
Yeah.
They say mushroom.
Say what? Malls. What you say, Jana?
Mushroom.
More loose. More loom.
Mush.
I tell you, bola, there is no mush.
Say mush.
No.
Say mush.
Room.
Yeah, so put it together now.
Room.
Right. That is it.
Clap for yourself.
Clap for yourself. Don't say more room. Now my roof.
They say that what God do you know?
They not say my roof.
Yeah, he said you will lay long. Yeah, more roof.
Huh?
More loose. I join the book again.
Say join the book again. Say man roof.
Man loose. That God say want do. Then we lay long. The man loose.
Yeah. Mushroom.
More loose. God say we say long. The more loose.
Mushroom.
Room. Yeah. Say it together. Pull it together.
Room.
Yeah. Hey. So do the long sentence now.
Yeah, that God say want do. We lay long.
Yeah.
Must loose. Y'all leave me, man.
Oh God.
That one, that year we get some for it. This one I won't tell you today, but I now I get in my heart. He says to Chao, come this Chao, someone come you. Both were Chao. You know they're talking about Chao.
Yeah, Chao. That's it.
All the boy, that the bigger one there. Chao. So Chao, come this Chao, someone come you. Both were Chao, come this Chao, someone come you. Kakan will not be there with. But I know what I say, you know.
Oh, the woman never get.
Yeah, they hate our women. They look good. They say can't be a slave. Then the people say what What I boy do? Can I know how they call that can he say? Chao can be so, them can be both way chao can be so, them can be call no be there way. Them can be Gia Grace and yo, them can be that's chabo man black walking. Number sound, number takayo, them can be. Was it, Janet, Janet said, "Now, come here. I want buy water over there. I want buy water over there before plastic on now. Then you now see one gap now, you piano now. Plastic on plastic, not me yet. Say, well, one month, 3 years, say, oh, see, one gap going just now. That is some gap for them.
Wow.
Yeah. Well, you down here, sit down here, plastic, and sit down here, come here, Janet. You say, okay. Before Brazil go over there and come back now, then one girl passing. You go down on the street, one girl passing now. You see the girl now, you say, oh, farmer, I want to talk with you, man. That they can do, the traffic get there. I can go to your place when the big passing, I want to talk with you, man. That girl say, that girl, the assessor, I want to talk with you, man. So now, then you go there. You say, let walk me, man. That blessing to you, yo. That is so. And blessing to you, say, I come you. The girl passing here now, I say, I want to talk with you. Let walk me. Blessing come now, I say, oh, my, you are why my boyfriend, I say, I know boy. You go, I see it, but I want to talk to. I say, I know about you. That is Sunday.
Wow.
When you lead down here, when you say down here, before you turn you back, then another girl come and get them.
Yeah, they kind of men.
Yeah. That what Chao can be the them can be. So Chao can buy the boo. Them can be. Kakan no be Sergio. Them can be. Gia Grace and yo. Punu no senya ways. Them can be. That Shabu my black walking. No more sound, no more pigeon. Oh, them can be.
And Bijala Arico.
Yeah, Abidjan. The president said down here now. One get tell you now. All the way to Abidjan. President now. Hey man, that leader man ya general. They say one get by a general, 2 of them go. That is fun for them. Chao can't buy that boo.
You are inquired before?
Yeah. So Chao can't buy that boo. They say can't make trouble now. That's trouble maker now, can't do now. So Chao can't buy that boo. Them can't be. Can't when not be there way. But I know what I say, yo.
That's a
That the woman who are now they hate up you.
yeah.
No senior ways, them can't be. That's shower my blood walking. No more sound, no more takayo, them can't be. Say down your jenna. They say, yeah, before you turn you back, all of men care them. Yeah.
Yeah, that she's singing in Quran. That is so interesting. So interesting. Go within that is the right number. Brother Wicks and his favorite old man who breaks the record on the panorama. Thanks all of you for watching. We want to invite you. Keep your contributions coming. Thanks for all of you today. It has been a great pleasure. Quina Davis, nice talking to you. We just want to welcome all of you. And just a quick recap. Let me just walk you through. I will go through back and then show you what happened to Man Eva's house. This is those of our new viewers who are watching. This is where she stays here. This is a beautiful scene, but this place was not meant for people to stay here. It is where you have the mangroves. These are priceless. They help for the ozones and most of the carbon that is emitted into our atmosphere. But according to Ma Eva, she built this house during Ellen's time, and now the wind just a couple of weeks ago blew her place, and it took off the roof. And a lot of you were asking, you see the mobile money, even at $10, $15. This is what happened. I'm going in Ma Eva's place so that I can show you exactly what happened again. Let's go look. Let's go inside. So we'll show you. We just want to get a couple of iron sheets so that she can close right there. Just replace the zinc here. It's not like you're building a whole house. You see this space, we get a couple of sheets. This is our way into the place. Let me take out, nice place. If you were in Greenville or Maryland, you know these kind of houses, how they were built. See, it just rained. Take a look. Today, just when we were out there, it was raining. Take a look at everything that she has here. It is wet. Let me just show you from outside. The house was covered here, but then when the wind came, it blew this whole portion and then it pushed it back. You see, it's not that we're going to get new sheet, we're going to bring them back, but because these sheets are the hard ones, these are very expensive sheets that her son got her. These ones, they're like, they're almost like steel and they cannot get bend back easily. So we're going to need some 2x4 or a few pieces, put that up. But let me just climb up here again, so you can see what I'm talking about. Let me go back up here so that you can see it. This is it right here. So take a look. This is the top of the roof here. You see here, and I'm gonna show you so you can see. Take a look. Take a look. This is the whole house here, and you see all here. You see here. So this part of this building needs to go and come all the way back here, and so that it can be recovered. And yes, thank you so much, Emmanuel, so that, we can have this thing covered. And that's all. Nothing much she's asking for, and we're going to get a couple of these I don't think it's 2x4. We can get 1, 2, 3. And then you see, this is where the stuff broke. It broke from right there. You see it? This is that particular wood you see here. This is something that we're crossing. You see it? This one that broke, it went up there. This is it. So you need a couple cross here, well enforced, and then cover this place back so she can have somewhere, to relax and entertain you. You know that. And she's here thanks to her neighbor and daughter, Blessing, who comes here all the time and help with all the different help she can give to Ma Eva. And Ma Eva is a very, very clean woman. This place smells so good, nice. I know all the perfume the way the place smelling that day. I hold on now.
Who says why do we perfume?
With perfume. With perfume. Don't mind. So, Ma Eva, we'll walk here. Let's go.
Yeah, I'm coming now. Let it do now.
Let it do. Let's go. Blessing. Let's go in front. So we're going out, and we will end the broadcast the moment we cross. But let me just show you. See, that's Blessing crossing there with us. Yeah, take your slipper. Can't let go. So this is how we go to the place, and this is how we're leaving. Humphrey Island, again, is the place. We have to show you all of these things so you see how our people are living. See how she crossed this piece of stake here, crossing over. Well, it was reinforced the last time, and they took it away. And we're back again to do it. A couple of you who made your little contributions. But this thing needs a real good effort. And it's either you choose to be alive, you eating, or it's fixing. See that person on the place right there? This place right is already deep in the water. Look at that. And they're building something already on there to tell you what our people are going through in this country. And until we forget our political differences. Hi, pretty, you all right? Okay. Until we forget our political differences, because the ordinary people who remain at risk, and the kids come out of here to something. So you watch somebody who's crossing, and if they're crossing, you have to make sure the other person is not coming in your direction. So now just take a look at here where we are. One mistake and you're coming. We're waiting for my ear.
Hey, over here.
Okay, we're waiting for somebody, Robinson, Duckett, I imagine, crossing that bridge. Yeah, this is in Topo Village. Topo Village, that's Montserrado County, you know. Yeah, you got all your senators, and that's why I say we were able to, you know, meet up with there's a friend and brother who we came across right there. You see him, that guy right there. He, according to him, this guy was in Europe. His story is very, very sad. He was in Europe, according to him. I know him very well, and he said that he was brought back here. According to him, he said his family then did some African sign and brought him back to Africa, and he's here at the sick bush. That's somewhere here in that place is the sick bush where he is. And I hope our battery can keep us with the level of 7% of battery we have. Let's go. And so this is where we're crossing. It's a beautiful evening out here, and I must admit, we're enjoying this day. You know, nothing. Watch out, blessing. Yeah. If I lost this camera, my chief. Oh, just a little water that fell. See what happened. Now we cannot cross because. Okay, let's see if we can talk to our brother again. How's it, my man?
No, I don't. I'm traveling back.
You will go back?
No, I will go back.
But what happened? What already happened? Come on this side.
The people call me with African son. I came home, and I came on my own.
Where were you then?
I used to move from Morocco and go France, Germany, and come back to Morocco. And
So when did it happen?
so I came back at 6 years, 2017. I came back and go by. But the person that the person died. My auntie was more in the village.
Wow. I know Mohammed well.
The woman in the village, he died. My auntie was more in the village. He died.
How it happened?
The African son, when they call you, now one they can post signal you. I'll come to get question in different country. All of a sudden, my friend saw my as a big boy living a pound paying 2,000 every month. And you know, my attitude changed. I can say that one place talking about myself. So, corner Sunday, so go home and come out. When I get question medicine, I know.
Wow.
Yeah, when I get question medicine, yeah. There's a change in your attitude. If you're not looking at it, well, we're not looking at you. Something wrong somewhere. And then if they call it, or not call you, or they call you having son, you like it or not, you can. You not can. The spirit, the general send me a post signal on you.
So you came.
I can't. All the time I start talking about myself, I can say that one place. Go inside, come outside. So forced to come back. But I came back, I brought something. I get to the woman in the village. He go, they put on the internet. They say you want to see
Since
me.
then you won't recover yet.
And I didn't know that before. My woman had kept me giving all to prepare me, you know.
They carry you all over. It was worse before?
It was worse. I used to be rocking, shouting, cussing, BB cussing, all. Because I met that big camel in the whole Cape man.
So they brought you here.
Yeah,
Where is this place?
that church, that big camel, they go and come to kill that woman and take out as you. They put me, I said, I was having one room for so close. I left, I think I came to that question. I left. I said, I left, I think I came to that question.
But you stay not to yourself.
I stay not to myself, I really no more. You said, they put trauma in me. But God stay fighting for me. Nothing else.
I didn't notice you, Mohammed. I saw when I came, I just used to see the person walking around talking.
God got me involved. Every time we get involved, too much. Vapo na go. Vapo, they can destroy all that on a group. They don't have blood I said, I'm not Vapa. I was speaking Vapa. I said, I'm a dingo man. I'm putting to a more Vapa.
You think they pick you wrongly?
But God will be my there on it. God is still for me. They are dying one by one. The enemy plenty one people South Africa. They cannot go over the people saw me dance a ceremony.
What you want me to bring you tomorrow?
Just anything that you can.
No, you tell me.
You can give me prayer.
Okay. And what else?
Just prayer and anything that you can afford.
Amen. Tell me what you want.
Prayer and drinks and salt drink.
What kind of salt drink?
Coca-Cola or Fanta.
You sure?
Yeah.
Do you take bath?
Yeah, I take bath, but not frequently. That is what I think. So like a free way to take bath because you want to say what to take bath.
Oh, you take bath in the water. Cause everybody know you're crazy.
Yeah. But I'm ready because they put trauma in me.
No cook here.
No cook here.
Where do you sleep here?
I sleep in church.
At the church here? We're across there.
No, to the same place, right?
But Mr. Wish, that drama, God is me as drama. And among the people, among all the hustle that they. And Ankias was the lucky man. Ankias that. Nana no being get on me. The plan I go marry Guinea or no being get on me. Let me get better than me. No being. Anybody tell me that I'm saying that I am deaf. Stop.
You think you must have did something wrong to somebody?
No, I've done nothing. The traditional people that come from Emo, whether you get down, you not get down, they will spoil you. When you get down, you spoil it. I want to send them money. I call, my kind of time for the video to your own money.
Oh, okay. You are sharing money when you
I used to send them money.
Yeah.
I said my mom money, or she pay us. She was in one room. She pay us in two community. But the vibe man too wicked. I haven't tried wicked, but the vibe man is the woman direct to my mother that the pay if I not come out, I get the money.
So like a power APC?
Yeah, if you don't want, but the other than when I ain't go pay my down.
Former representative.
APC from Father.
The former representative?
Yeah, my father.
That your biological father?
I mean, get penny and I even know some of my own children. If they want to get small money, they can love so. Born so. You know, it grow like grass. It grow by yourself.
Wow.
Yeah, I did my father there. Yeah, he didn't want to send me to school.
Anyway, thank you so much. I will come back tomorrow. I'll bring you some stuff. Okay? I'll bring you some stuff and good luck, man.
Okay.
Don't let nobody put you down. I mean, we make mistakes and we become better persons later on.
No, more better than ever before. I'll be more better than ever before.
Inshallah.
Better than ever before.
Okay. The fact that you are cognizant of what's happening around you, you just need to fight and bring your mind back. You can do it.
House of God, I fast and pray. You know, fast and pray for myself. I don't need prayer with the pastor alone. Myself do my own prayer. And you know.
So keep fighting. I'll see you tomorrow. Bring your stuff. Okay? Well, guys, thank you so much. This is sometimes we try to get these side attractions. Like you see, Mohammed, when I used to pass here, he would circle this entire place here, all here. He made this path. He will walk and keep talking to himself. But this is where we are. Humphrey Island. Thank you so much, all of you watching. Don Sano, Mafata Dukley, Rosalind Tewe, Queen Davis, Miracle Smith, Morris Cully, Marcus Dorr. I'm talking about Louis Brackett Campbell, Holly Koffer, and the rest of you watching. Again, I'm Kwame Opa Wicks, and goodbye.